Hello and welcome to another MyMaths walkthrough. This is 278, constructing loci. So constructing loci just means where could you be, basically. So you've got to think, where could I be to fit that particular description. So if I look at the first scenario, I'm in this big garden, I've got a tree, I've got the house. Every diagram already had this circle. Round the tree, I'll explain the circle in a minute. But that's the setup. Right, now I've got to go through the instructions. So the first instruction said it had to be 7 meters from the house. Okay, 7 meters away from the house. So if I think of the edge of the house, I have to be exactly 7 meters away from here. So if I go 7 meters away from there, let's say 7 meters about there-ish. So let's say that's 7 meters, right? So that's from that point. But if I go from this point, 7 meters away from the house, I could have been there. If I go from this point, 7 meters away, could be there. If I go from this point, 7 meters away, it could be there, could be there. From this point, it could be here, and it could be here. And what you notice is, you're starting to pan out a line. Don't forget you go in the middle of these two things, you'd have it there, couldn't you? So, if I draw this line in, what this line represents is me being 7 meters exactly away, so that's 7 meters away. But the question said you had to be at least 7 meters, so I could be 8 meters, I could be 9 meters, I could be this side of the line. So it's anything at the moment this side of the line. I'm happy with all of that area at the moment. Okay, so that's 7 meters from the house. The next one said 3 meters, within 3 meters, so within 3 meters of the tree. So there's the tree. And what this circle is a circle which is 3 meters away. So from here to here is 3 meters, from here to here is 3 meters, from here to here is 3 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters, and it just draws a circle around the tree of a radius of 3 meters. Now, because I said within 3 meters, that means I've got to be inside this circle. Okay, so I can be anywhere inside the circle, but importantly, you've got to remember, you've got to be 7 meters from the house as well. So that means I could be anywhere in this region fits both of those descriptions. Okay, so that's all that one is. Think about where could you be and start panning it out. Right, the next one, nearer to A than C. Now nearer to A than C, so there's A, there's C. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a quick line to join them together, just so I can show you something, right? So if I want to be nearer to A than to C, and I'm on this, let's say I'm on this line, then if I go for the halfway mark, let's say the halfway mark's there, then I want to be this side of the halfway mark, and that's me nearer to A than C. So I could be here, I could be here, I could be here, here, here. I can't be here because that's now closer to C than it is to A. However, so that's on that line. However, I could then be, let's say, here. So I could be there, and I'd still be near A than I am to C. I could be, let's say, here. And for me, that's going to be nearer to A than this is C. I could be here. This is nearer to A than C. I could be here. This is nearer to A than C. In fact, what happens is you have to draw a thing here called a perpendicular bisector of that thing. And you can be anywhere of this side of the line as long as you don't cross the halfway mark to get towards C. Now there's a proper way to construct this line. All you do is you just take your compasses, you put it on A and C, open them up past halfway, put a little tick below the line, put a tick above the line. So let's say that's the 2 ticks. Go to the A side and do the same thing, put the ticks on. Don't change the compasses. Oh, I wasn't too far off. So there we go. And then if I draw this line in from here down to there, this line is known as the perpendicular bisector of AC. So my random guess was a little bit too closer to C than I was to A there. So at the moment I can be anywhere this side of the line will be definitely closer to A than C. Next one is more than 5 from D. So if I go from D, that's 5. So 5 would also be down here. Now is it just a straight line? It isn't a straight line. Okay, so that could be 5 centimeters away. This just get a compass. Let's have a look. So if I go from here to here, that's 5 centimeters away from A and C. But so is this point, so is this point, so is this point, so is this point. So any point on this line now is exactly 5 meters or 5 centimeters from D. Now it says more than 5 centimeters, so I need to be outside of that quarter circle, and I need to be this side of this line, which means the only area I can be in now is going to be this area here. Okay, and that's constructing loci. Have fun.